And we are live. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. Welcome to another session of our Gujis are rocking into the online space. We have a guest speaker. She will introduce herself. She's going to share her insights about our amazing online business opportunity. Those of you who don't know me, my name is Davina Patel. I hail from the beautiful islands of Fiji, currently residing here in Auckland, New Zealand. I work as by passion as an online mentor, helping others create second stream of income and also follow their passions and dreams. And I also have a full-time job as a finance professional in the supply chain sector. So we are here to talk more about our online business, and we have a session, an interactive session with a coach in who has given her time to tell a little bit more about her insights, her success about this online journey. So, Lian, welcome to our live session. Normally, we do this in our traditional native tongue, Gujarati, but today we have chose to do it in English. So, my first question, and I'm gonna tell you, is that can you please introduce yourself and tell a little bit more where you're from and get a little bit of insights? So, over to you, Lian.
Okay, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to all of you. Thank you very much for inviting me into your channel today. Yes, guys. So I'm really had a pleasure for that one, and I'm so really happy. Yes, guys. So I am Lian. Currently, I'm here in Canada, but originally from the Philippines. Um, Before when I went here in Canada last 2005, I also working in Taiwan for 5.5 years. That's why I cross here as a live-in caregiver, guys. So being a live-in caregiver, I left my son Jeko, which is my business partner today. I left him 7 months old, guys. And my son, my eldest son, is 7 years old before, and it's really heartbreaking because as being parents, we are away from our kids, their needs, their milestone. We miss them, right? So and also, of course, I'm a daughter. My mom also, I always be with her. We are daughter, we love our mom, or even though we are we call that son. Sorry for that. Yes,
Of
guys. So
course. Yeah.
away from our kids, guys, as an OFW is a heartbreaking. As a mom, we always thinking our brighter future, but we don't regret it. We have nothing to blame because of what we have to give them later on. So now I went here in Canada through under living caregiver, you know, taking care of kids. That's why for me I always cry before, but I never show it to them. I have to be strong. That's struggles
Yes.
that I feel before. I never know that their first step, their first words. I am thinking about who is they are. They are sleeping in good. Even though our family is taking care of them, it's different if we are a mother. We are
Yes.
really we want them. I never have an experience like tucking them. And when I'm taking care of kids, I'm hugging them as they are my kids. But it's heartbreaking because our own kids left alone there. So that's why that
Yeah.
7 months old baby is my business partner today, which is reunited after 20 and a half years. And because of this
Wow.
business, guys, when I went home in the Philippines, I seen my mom. I think 2014. So I went home 2022. Just imagine that. And that's my first time I hug and kiss my son. Really. Yeah. And we did a lot of traveling, you know. Sorry, I'm just emotional
It's
because
okay.
I remember we don't have any. We had conversation in video, but it's different. But if in our in personal, you hug him, you kiss him, you don't know. You're speechless.
Yeah,
We
it
went to
is.
travel, anything. If I can cover all that time that I left him, but guys, that's why I would like to share this to all moms and grandma there, please. If you have a chance to get an opportunity like this is it. I am the living proof of being away from my kids. I don't want you to also suffer what I suffer, because it's really hard. We cannot expect the things that we are expecting. It's different when the kids are growing up to you. You know them,
Yes.
but if they are far, you know that they are your kids. But still, don't expect that what you want you will get, guys. Even though until now, really, we don't know each other yet, but we are knowing each other. Sometimes there is, being mother or whatever it is, like sometimes bugging or whatever, sometimes not talking to each other, but we are okay. The love is there always. But being like be with you, you don't know where to start to talk to them, right? You
Yes.
don't know their what do you call that, you don't know what they want, you don't know what they really like. We just starting to learn. That's
Yeah.
why these
You don't
guys,
know their
and I
choices.
know this, yeah, this is only introduction, but I would like to share with you guys, to all mom who are watching us right now, please. I'm the living proof of this journey that I have. This is the one that you have to try this. There is no string attached. Take this opportunity, guys. This is the one that you have to yourself, because while your kids is like you're growing, you are already building a strong business to give to them. Because my profession as a nurse in the Philippines and a midwife, I cannot give it to my son. But this business, we can give it to them, even though they don't like. But later on, they're gonna think about this. This is it. Let them go to school. Let them do what they want. But still, this is the good things of this business, because we can transfer this from generation to generation. And one more thing, guys. That's why I joined into this business. I got an accident, guys. If I gonna share to you my story, it's gonna stay long in here. It's like a very thick books. Like I just gonna summarize. I got an accident. Yes, I got an accident. I work 2 to 3 jobs as a healthcare worker. My shift for in a day is 2 shifts. Every other weekend of my home, I'm doing cleaning, guys, just to have an extra income to pay my bills. Living here in Canada is very expensive, guys. Paying rent, bills, whatever we want, we are helping also, right, in the Philippines. But because of this business, I got that. One more thing, when I have an accident, I thought that's it, my dreams. I just, before I'm so stressed out, depressed. But God never left me in my darkness moment. She gave this reason, I think, to me, because maybe I'm a good daughter, or maybe I'm a good mother, even though I'm far from my kids. But this is the, I think, reason to maybe just stay home, do your business. And plus, guys, I retired already from this health traditional job that I have
That's great.
at 55, guys. And also I'm a coach, which is I always pay for that. And also I traveled in the Philippines 7 months there with my
Oh,
mom, and I launched my business in the Philippines, helping 26 children on their education, guys. That's why
wow.
try this business. This is for you if you are looking for this kind of opportunity. Yes.
Thank you, Leanne. You know, I have to say that there was quite inspiring and being resilient at the same time. And I would like to add that, you know, it's always a personal pain point that we make decisions to do something better and make changes in our lives. So I will give it to Purna. She will go with the next question, like what she has for you to, in terms of giving your experience on this online business. So over to you, Purna.
Thank you so much. Leanne, I'm already having a goosebump when you said, yeah, that you saw your son, you met him after 20 years.
Yes.
That's a huge
Mm.
thing, because as a mother, I can feel I can't leave my son, not a single night or not a, day or two. If he's with somebody else, of course, he was going to daycare and from very young age, but I can't leave him more than that. and I can feel it, the pain. So actually, my next question was, what is inspiring you? But I already like to start the business, but I already got that answer from your intro. So my question to you is, um, were you skeptical before you started? Because we all were, even at the age, that age. So this age you started, and how you came to know about the opportunity, and how you started, and how it was going on initially.
Yes, thank you for your question. Yes, for me, I saw it. I still skeptical, but I pray for it. And this mentor that I got before, I don't know her, the same as I think to you guys, right? So, but the thing is, my thinking that what if this is real? I know I also think what if this is a scam, but I seeing it that there is they have their they there's a lot of people changed lives of this business, guys. That's why I take risks for the better. That's it. If this is God's given to me, why not? In anything,
Yeah,
we really cannot discover the stuff if we will not try to discover it by ourselves. Is I know that
yeah,
in online business there's a lot of scam, but still we cannot say this is a scam if you will really not to discover it and know what's the inside. That's why I joined to this for risks for the better. This is my prayer that God gave this to me. If it is not, that's fine. At least I move. I did something. I try it. Yes.
yes, that's true actually. Anyways, we all need to start from some point, and we all are having some different fears to start, right? So
Yeah.
that's great. Over to you,
And that's
Devina.
normal.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
it's normal.
Hmm.
Yeah. Yeah, I personally believe that fear is, for me personally, is that is when you take the jump in and don't even
Yeah,
care about the consequences, because consequences is a procrastination that it has not even happened. So
yeah.
basically, yeah, I'm gonna move it over to Vishal, who's gonna introduce himself
And
and
one more
has his
thing.
own question.
Speaking of that, sorry. Speaking of
Yeah.
that fear, I'm there. Don't you know that they also nominate me as fear fear over faith faith over
Yeah,
fear.
faith
They
over
nominated
fear. In
remember. So
December,
I
I
think
saw
that's
that
also because
award.
of my
Yes.
Wow,
yeah
Yeah,
yeah
that's
that's
great.
amazing.
yeah.
Yeah, so I give it to Vishal. Over to you. If, what some of your questions to ask Coach Leanne.
Yeah, hi Liam.
Sure.
Yeah, I mean,
Right.
it's definitely great to know this journey, and I'm sure that people who are watching us and who will definitely see us in the future will take a lot of inspiration from your journey. I mean, as Purna said, that we already got a goosebump, so definitely it's a great journey. It's a matter of resilience, matter of trust, and whatnot. I mean, whatever dictionary words we can use today are really less. I mean, only mother can do that. I must say that whatever determinations that you have come across, I mean, no one can even imagine to see their children
Yeah,
not for like long 20 years. I mean, my goodness, that's
it's
such
a
a
long
great
time.
thing that you have, come across. So definitely, lots of congratulations for your milestone, and you all deserve it. So it's a great thing. And just want to know that, like, what are the hurdles that you have come across? I mean, when you start the business in terms of, technicalities or how you make your business to grow within a time. So, what are your strategies and what are the hurdles to, that you have come across?
Actually, when I came across to this business, I don't know. I have no business experience. That's my first fear. But when we do, because we have a video-based training that's unlimited, you can go back and for to that one, uh, we can learn there. And not only that, we have a huge community also there for us, helping us and guide us in anything, right? So
Yes.
before in and my year before is like We don't have like this. It's just like not much, but not like a lot today. We have a lot of Zoom, lot of training, lot of friends now, wherever you can just meet them. And then one more thing, guys. When I saw this business and came across to this business, and I'm here now in the business, my confidence get more strong. I'm a very shy person, guys. Now my face is very thick. I don't care. You know, they're not giving me money to pay my bills, or they are not giving me to pay my
Of
food, or they're
course.
not giving me money to pay my candy, for example. But we are here. Our money is in here. And I always sharing to when I'm doing live, even though sometimes I went to anything when I'm talking, right? I told them we are doing this live for you guys to know that we are real people. We are not a robot. We are not a scam. We don't want to jeopardize our family in here because our business is have an integrity. We are legit and registered worldwide. So really, if they really like that, some other people also are negative, or some people are jealous or whatever but that's fine. We can make them as inspiration, guys. So yeah, I in this business also, what because I'm doing live, I'm inspired them. Only that what we can do. We are in attraction marketing. Show to them what our milestone that we get. Anyway, we cannot flash our check in here, but our result, really, guys, if you're gonna be here in our business, you already have your own check. You are the one who gonna put the digits there, guys. The more you give time and effort to your business, the more you're gonna get result. To those people who wants to join and like gonna think that tomorrow there is a result, guys, this is really maybe not yours, because there is no anything business that when you join you're gonna get a result. You have to start from the very beginning, guys. It's like a seed, we
Yes.
have to plant it. So be prepared for that. You have to have what do you call that? You have to be patient to this business. Sometimes you have struggle. Sometimes I'm down. Sometimes, but guys, we are boss. We are the one who own this business. You have to back off sometimes. And what's
Yeah.
Netflix? Sometimes they said no, but it's your maybe that's divert your attention sometimes, because sometimes having creating our post or whatever, sometimes it give us sometimes down, because there's a lot of stuff that you wanna share, but because of mixing together we cannot align really. So go out and get the fresh air, take coffee, call your friends or whatever, just to have something like for you to be inspired doing this
Yes.
business, guys. So because our business is real, that's why a lot of people really want to join. Yesterday, the other day, I have a lot, whole day I am messaging back and forth to all my inquiries, guys. I'm not
Nice.
doing something, just this one doing live. So I'm talking to them, sharing to them with this business. They seeing. That's why, guys, always in a live, tell them really what's this opportunity that maybe this is for them. We
Yes.
are not recruiting here, guys. So okay, we are
Mm.
sharing this lifetime opportunity that you can really, you have the choice if you join or not. Yes, that's the one that I am doing. Yeah. Yes.
Thank you. Thanks
Thank you
for
so
sharing
much.
this journey. I mean, okay.
Yeah.
So yeah, there are certain things that everybody needs to keep in mind, that you have to be resilient, you have to have some patience, and you have to have that certain mindset that really helps you out to grow in this business. And surely, apart from that, we have our automated system, so that makes a huge difference. So yeah, I mean, lot many things that we can learn from your journey. So thanks for sharing on this question. So over to
You're
you,
welcome.
Devina.
Thank you, Leanne. I really get in the story you told. It's very inspiring for me as well. And I believe that family is the most important element for our social support and growth. So my question to you now would be, how do you, being like you said, you had jobs but now you've retired, as a entrepreneur, as a grandmom, a mom, how do you balance, and this online business, how do you balance the time, like from your 24 hours that we have? So can you share and give your insights on that?
Guys, we're the on. It's a nice question. It's depend on how we really manage it. Prioritize. We have a tools that we can use to schedule early. Then
Yeah.
while we schedule it, we can just rest. What I'm doing is just like a simple. After did everything, I just watch TV, eat out. As long as it's there already, call, message my son, or call my family back home in the Philippines. Do this business. Maybe sometimes 1 hour or 30 minutes. So that's the way I am managing my business. That's why, guys, to those people also, when we are in already how to manage, to those people also, like, they are saying that I have no time.
Mm.
Guys, you have no time today, but if you join into this business, when your business was already prosper, you have a lot of time to your kids. Guys, we are not born to just work and die. We are born to work, but of course we have to enjoy our family, because later on when we are old, even though now I'm gonna be 57 years old, I had already pain. you know that's normal. So yeah,
Yeah.
and then I never really imagine and never dream in my life that I can be transform myself from a healthcare worker to an online business with no business experience, guys. So if I can do it, why you can't?
Yeah.
I'm a mom, I'm a grandma. I don't know nothing before, but now I am here. So this business is designed to anyone, guys. To those people who are watching, go to our website, put your name and email address there, send us a message. We'll watch first the webinar before you ask, because sometimes it's nice to watch it, because everything are there. They can really see, they can inspire themselves. At least if ever they cannot see the question that they want, that's the time they can question us. So that's the one that I giving them an advice. Watch first the webinar, then if there's a question there, send us a message and we can answer that for you. Yes.
Wow.
Yeah,
Thanks,
that's
thanks,
true.
thanks, Coach. Yeah, it's quite useful. So, Purna, I give it to you now for your next
Sure.
question.
Sure. So, since you have been in the business for a while, my question is, what are the three major benefits you found so far in the business? Like, what personal benefits you found? We know from your journey, we understood that you were doing multiple business, multiple jobs, and now you quit all the jobs and doing only the business, which is wonderful and very inspiring. But apart from that, what are the personal benefits you would like to share, or you have experienced or experiencing every single day?
Yeah, that my time and freedom, guys. That's the very important to us, because even though that we are gonna work, 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 we have a lot of money. That's money. You cannot say to the money that can you give me a time now if we
Yeah.
have pain, right? So and then one more thing, I'm a part of the milestones of my grandkids also. I can go there anytime I want. If ever I
Yeah.
can go travel again, I have no boss already, because we are the boss. And then one more thing, that's we can go anywhere with our
Mhm.
business with us. That even though we are relaxing, traveling, sometimes when I went home in the Philippines, even though my seatmate in the airplane, we can make friends, and I can share my business also. So that's the good
Yeah.
things of our business, because me personally, I'm so happy, because as my mom is 99 years old currently, gonna be 100 years next year. So I can be going home again there, and as any time, right? And we give to this business also, and my siblings also, with the help, we are paying also a caregiver for them. But at least I think this business also makes us a little bit lighter than before. If we don't have
Mhm.
any something to get some resources, it's hard. And one more thing, the legacy that I launched. helping 26 kids in the Philippines on their education. And I'm always praying that I can get more blessings so that I have more blessings to share and add more children. That's I always praying, guys. You know, a lot really. If the benefits, that's the benefits that I want to be with my family. That's a very important one, the family, because later on,
Yes.
whatever happened, family is important. Yeah. So that's the main for me.
That's wonderful. And I just saw your reels about your mom, which was so good on your page. She's already 99 and you're gonna celebrate next year. That's
Yes.
amazing.
Yes.
That's so good. And helping 26 children in the back home for their education is wonderful benefit you have. People are earning money from their job, but not everybody can do and can use those money for a good cause, and which is you are doing, which is amazing. I love it.
Thank you.
So yeah, that's a really good, something great to take away from you as well from this live today. Thank you, Leon.
Thank you. Thank you.
Oh, yeah, Leanne, to be honest with you, like you mentioned, you're doing the business and helping others. Like for me personally, I know how I got my education, and I've always worked 20 years for someone else, and I'm still doing it. But for me, now I want to come out of that circle and use my journey, my knowledge and resources I have. Even I come across my friends, I do help them in their education as well, because I feel that knowledge gives you that power and control, and learning never has an age limit. So that is amazing what I've seen in you. So I'm
Yes.
going to give it to Vishal Bhai in terms of his question on this business, and I think that is the last question that we have. So over to you, Vishal Bhai.
Yes, thank you, Devina. Yeah, I mean, with each of the questions, we are definitely, I mean, getting something. Every answer is like a goosebumps. So definitely, it's a great thing. I mean, the way you have, come across your journey, and the way definitely time freedom and everything is there. But I mean, you decided to help others. I mean, that's also a great cause. I mean, otherwise, I mean, we all know that how the world is going through right now. So in this tough time, when even one single help to someone makes a huge difference in their life. So a great thing for that. So thank you so much on that
Definitely.
one. So yeah, my question is that, like, Leon, how much time does it take for you to start earning in this business? Because let's say initially everybody have that questions that, okay, how fast or how soon we can start earning in this business. So if you can put a little bit light on that part, like how how you started your journey, and I mean not journey exactly, but like in this financial situation, like how you start making money.
Actually, guys, when we join into our business and we become an official business owner, 2 to 3 weeks, 4 weeks, we got already our commission, right?
Wow.
No, no, no. Speaking about money digits, okay, we got already, right? Then that's the thing. If this business, the result is different. The result is vary from person to person. It's
Yes.
it's depend upon the time you put and effort to your business, and you by yourself really can tell if you can get result or not. So it's up to you how you make the time and effort to do this business. But
Hmm.
for sure, if really a person who own this business is very decisive, and sometimes they are not sleeping, yes guys, of course your money will not sleep to come with you guys. So the more you put time and effort of this business, the more you're gonna get a result. But my okay, another one that I would like to give an advice to everyone, as what I mentioned before, you have to have a business mindset. Don't give up, guys. Sometimes we have a time that we stressed out, burnt out, guys. That's a part, that's a normal. We are not perfect. Even though life, we always we it's not perfect. Even though we're driving, there is a rough road. That's the thing,
Yeah.
guys. You have to always and always I wanna share with you guys, if you have that problem, if you have any struggles, we are here to help you guys. We are always, if we are not, hold on, my okay, sorry, it's gonna, yes guys, so you will not be alone into this business. We have a huge
Yeah.
community, guys. Just imagine when I joined to this business, we are just only 84,000. And today we are 247,000, guys. And the good things of our business, because we are registered worldwide, connected to 25 countries and 43 branches around the world, guys. So, where will you get the kind of business like that? And we are paying taxes also, and everything that we are using into this business connected to our business, we're gonna put it as a write-off to our tax. And this month is our tax season, guys. Have you done your tax, guys? Yeah. So I'm done. So yes, guys. So don't be afraid if you really like it on the time. Just sometimes breathe, relax.
Mhm.
That's
Yeah.
why we have this business, because this is yours. You're the one who's the boss of this business. Don't let your sometimes our fear, don't let our fear stop us. Just keep going and face the reality. Don't run
Mm.
into our problem. Face it, or else it's gonna be more bigger and bigger. That's the way it is. Mine, if I have a problem, I have to face it. Uh it sometimes it's hurt, sometimes it's not, but that's life. That's the reality. It's just like life. We are not permanent here. So for
Mm.
us, if we are really thinking our loved ones, we can do nothing. There's no impossible to give the dreams that we want to our loved ones, guys. This is not for us only. This is for our kids and for those people we all family that we want to help, guys. Yeah. Yes.
That's true.
Yeah, that's amazing. You know,
Thank you,
Lian,
Lian,
today
for
we're
sharing that.
Thank you. You're welcome.
So I think, Lian, I have to say, this is like very inspirational, your story and your experience and giving, coming out, being vulnerable as well. So my last one would be, what is your message to the viewers who's gonna watch us live or who's like gonna watch the replay? What is your takeaway on this business opportunity that we have?
Okay, to those who are watching us right now, if you are, it's a divine, it's the divine time that you are watching, guys. Maybe this is yours. Go to our website in there. Put your name and email address. You will receive your access link and watch that webinar, guys. If you can't do the live, replay is always available. And plus, we will add you to our VIP group for you to see from your own eyes on how this business will work for you, even though uh, you have a full-time job, part-time job, or even though you're sleeping because of our automated system, guys. And for you to see also on how these people change thousands of people's lives around the world because of this business. And for those who really might take away to them, if you will not if you will not decide to change, to discover this opportunity, nothing gonna happen, guys. You will be just
Mm.
staying where you are, maybe, or do two forward, step forward than rather than backward, guys, or not stand still, because nothing's gonna happen. Do your best, and the God will do the rest for you. Yes.
Thanks, Coach Lian, for your insights and inputs on this, this journey of yours, becoming a coach and all, giving your takeaway, giving your insights. And we are like using the power of social media, coming on our platform and creating the awareness that there is a business opportunity to all our friends and followers. So those of you who want to know more about this business, please, like Coach Lian has said, that we have our websites mentioned. Whoever you resonate and you feel comfortable with, register your name and email address and watch our 90 minutes webinar to know about the business and also ask us questions. Personal DM us through our social media to get a chance of a lifetime and an education program that is amazing, that you will never have any regrets in life. So thank you guys. Thank you, Coach Leanne. Wish you all the success
Thank you
in
so
your
much.
journey, and
Bye.
take
Thank you
care.
so
Bye,
much.
guys.
Bye. Thank you. Thank you.
Bye, everyone.
Thank you,
Thank
Leanne.
you.
Thank you.